Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer, was the first European to set foot in the Americas in 1492. He is credited with discovering the Americas, although the continents were already inhabited by indigenous peoples. Columbus's voyages across the Atlantic Ocean had a profound impact on world history, marking the beginning of the age of exploration and connecting Europe with the New World. The idea that the Earth is round had been accepted by most scholars since ancient times. However, the actual circumference of the planet was unknown. Columbus believed that by sailing west across the Atlantic, he could reach the eastern coast of Asia. Various accounts mention that Columbus wanted to find a direct route to Asia because the existing routes through the Mediterranean and Middle East were long and dangerous. Furthermore, he was motivated by the desire to spread Christianity to new lands and to escape the persecution of Jews in Spain. After planning his route with the Spanish monarchs, Ferdinand and Isabella, Columbus set sail on August 3, 1492 with 3 ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. The voyage was fraught with challenges as the crew faced rough seas, storms, and dwindling supplies. However, they pressed on, driven by the hope of reaching Asia and the promise of riches beyond their wildest dreams. On October 12, 1492, after more than 2 months at sea, Columbus sighted land. He had mistakenly reached the Bahamas, which he believed were part of India. When he landed on the island of San Salvador, now known as Wattling Island in the Bahamas, he became the first European to set foot in the Americas. Over the next few weeks, Columbus explored the islands of the Lucayan archipelago, which are now part of the Bahamas. He encountered the native Arawak people and established the first European settlement in the New World. However, his dream of finding a direct route to Asia was not realized. Despite not finding gold or a direct route to Asia, Columbus's voyages had a profound impact on world history. His discoveries opened up the Americas to European exploration and colonization, leading to the exchange of goods, ideas, and people between the Old World and the New World. The Age of Exploration, which began with Columbus's voyages, led to the discovery of new lands, cultures, and trade routes, as well as the exchange of knowledge and technology. In conclusion, Christopher Columbus's discovery of the Americas in 1492 was a pivotal moment in world history. Although he did not know he had reached a new continent, his voyages marked the beginning of the age of exploration and the connection between Europe and the New World.